Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters, so if you have the chance, please subscribe.
I finish dreams, I sit alone and hum a line. Ignore the ticking of the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done. I've just begun.